The Nike Air Max DL 2.5 continues its quiet comeback as one of the most underrated Air Max models today. About a year into its modern revival, the silhouette has not reached the hype of icons like the Air Max 95, but that low-profile status has worked in its favor. It often appears on sale shelves, making it an attractive option for sneaker fans who value comfort, style, and accessibility. For spring 2026, Nike introduces a clean Phantom colorway that strips the design down to its essentials. The upper is dressed in a soft muted tone, while subtle moon fossil accents highlight the swoosh, layered panels, and the full-length Air unit. The result is a versatile look that fits perfectly with all white or neutral sneaker rotations. The Nike Air Max DL 2.5 Phantom is expected to release in spring 2026, priced at $190 in men's sizing, making it a solid lifestyle pick for everyday wear.